Hi there, ELEWEMM. This is my first experiment, and actually what I take the silicone, two components of silicone, component A, component B, make mold from silicone and make mold from plastilene. Actually, I just want to understood that technologies. I understood how to make it by myself, and I understood how to make the good mold for some things what I want to make from plastic, or I don't know, or epoxy resin or something like that. And now I want to make the optical lens.
Viljen man eksteka storyn ha Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Der han ville gull harpa basella Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Viljen man ekte fast trull mina stå Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Mestele kone han hol harpa sella Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Han leika med landa, han leika med kny Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Han leika mat till av nykens arm Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Dal slå han sig harpa ett bons i sin harm Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Och tvine kraftig av trolins arm Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Ville man egentligen fast ströllmena stå Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Mestele kone han håller basella Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Han leika med landa, han leika med kny Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Han leika mat till av nykens arm Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Och han sig harpa inte bons i sin harm Hej fagra stalinda lavialle Och betvine kraftig av trollens arm Faderunena de luster hanna vinna Paršizomat lonla, ešistala, paršizomat, ešistala, paršizomat, urblank, aršopinat, lonla, urblank, aršopinat.
So after my training, I have results. I have lens. It's not perfect lens, but they can focus the light, and actually in this step of my skills, it's enough for me. Now I understood technologies, its work, and I can make it more cool, more good, more easy, more. And actually this has been just first step, first experiment, and I hope in the future I will show you so much good things with the lens and some kind of device with the lens. Not only just show you, oh, look at this, what I do. I show you, I think I want to increase that technologies, make my skills, and after all, make some device, and will be interesting device, but we will talk about in the future. Bye!